Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, I am Jessica, and if you want to experience the ultimate beach club tour in Ibiza in 2023, then you should definitely watch this video. From hip rooftop bars to luxurious beachfront hotspots and hidden underground gems, this tour will take you to a paradise. I will show you the secrets of the most attractive places in Ibiza, and if you want to experience a truly unique adventure, then please click the like button and leave a comment. Are you ready? So let's dive into Ibiza together. The biggest attraction for many people is the stunning architecture. From elegant manor houses to modern design buildings, Ibiza has them all. I will show you around each place with its most spectacular features. You can experience a cozy atmosphere from the rooftop bars where you can enjoy a sunset or sunrise with a breathtaking view. I'll take you to the picturesque beaches with its crystal clear turquoise waters. Relax there and float away to a blissful state. Let yourself get mesmerized by the beauty of Ibiza and the wonderful vibrant atmosphere. As you walk through the streets, you can feel the rhythm and the warmth of the people who live there. One of my favorite places to hang out are the beach clubs. Get ready to explore the wild nightlife and enjoy late night parties till the morning. I am sure you will find something extraordinary that appeals to you in Ibiza. Dare to explore its wonders and follow me on this one-of-a-kind tour. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.